How can you present a concept map effectively? Have you ever wondered how to make your concept map stand out and be truly effective? Presenting a concept map is more than just showing a diagram. It's about communicating ideas clearly. To start, you need to define the central concept or focus question that your map addresses. This focus question is your guiding star, helping both you and your audience stay on track. Next, organize your map in a hierarchical way. Place the broadest ideas at the center or top and branch out to more specific concepts. This structure helps viewers see the relationships between ideas easily. Use clear and simple linking words or phrases on the lines or arrows connecting the concepts. This makes the connections meaningful and easy to follow. Visual design matters too. Keep your map clean and balanced. Use consistent shapes, colors, and fonts to group related concepts. This helps viewers quickly identify categories and patterns. Avoid clutter by limiting the amount of information on the map. Too much detail can overwhelm and reduce clarity. Incorporating visuals like icons or illustrations can make your map more engaging. These visuals can also aid memory retention, making it easier for your audience to remember the information. When you present the concept map, guide your audience through it logically. Explain how each concept connects to others and why those relationships are important. Encourage interaction by inviting questions or reflections on the connections shown. This not only keeps your audience engaged but also helps reinforce their understanding. If you are using the map for study purposes, consider revising and updating it regularly. This practice can reinforce learning and improve comprehension over time. An effective concept map presentation combines a well-chosen central question, clear hierarchical organization, meaningful linking phrases, consistent visual design, and an interactive explanation. This approach aligns perfectly with effective study habits by promoting active engagement and clarity. By following these tips, you can create and present concept maps that truly resonate with your audience and enhance their learning experience.